years now, I've been doing what's called quintiles instead of quarters. I can't remember where I heard this. I think it was probably on a podcast, but normally, you have a traditional workplace. You have 4 quarters in every year: first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. But that never really fit in with the patterns and rhythms of my life as a stay-at-home mom of 2, now working from home. It just still didn't fit in with like a school calendar schedule or even homeschooling that we do. It just didn't fit. So when I heard this idea of you can break up the year however you want to, that really helped me. They're not equal sections of time by any means, but they make sense in my mind and with our calendar and our family life. So their first quintile, it feels really weird to call it that, but that's what it is. There's 5 of them instead of 4. So the first quintile is for January through spring break. So January 1 through spring break is the first quarter of the year. I write down all of our events going on and then the goals just for that section of time. The second quintile is the spring quintile. It's after spring break until school gets out in May. And so again, all the events that are going on, birthdays, appointments, special things go in that category, and then I will write down our goals or just tasks that need to be done in that time frame. The third quintile is the summer one. So that's from when school gets out until school starts. That is just summer. It's its own time on the calendar, its own set of goal achieving things we want to get done time. And then we have fall, which is from the first day of school until October 31st. That is the fall quintile, quintile 4. And then the final one is from November 1st until the end of the year. That's our 5th quintile, the final part of the year. And I just call that holidays because things kind of aren't very structured. It's just you have Thanksgiving, travel, Christmas, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, like just this weird blob of time almost. And so it gets its own special time frame to set goals or things like that. So it's been really helpful for me. I can share what we do, try to do in every quintile that's helpful, but it was really life-changing for me to not think of time in the way that everyone else might think of time, or most people think of time, to have a structure, but a structure that fits within our natural family rhythm.